Today's fast-paced business landscape demands efficient technology, with RFID technology emerging as a key tool for addressing various challenges. Introducing RFIDTracks, a versatile platform for automating asset management, optimizing utilization, and enhancing operational efficiency. This platform offers tailored technology solutions through our consultative approach, which serve a wide range of industries, highlighting its adaptability to meet the specific needs of different businesses. The fashion industry is embracing RFID technology for its cost-saving and revenue-boosting potential. RFIDTracks helps to automate store and supply chain processes, seamlessly integrating with popular POS systems like Quickbooks and Shopify for real-time inventory management, replenishment, and improved visual merchandising. It also provides valuable insights into customer behavior, giving brands a competitive edge. Food and FMCG industries are adopting RFID solutions to streamline logistics and automate checkout for improved customer experience. RFIDTracks ensures real-time traceability of products across the supply chain. It also allows tracking of pallets and shipment units, optimizing inbound and outbound processes at distribution centers, reducing receiving time by 50 to 70%. Additionally, RFIDTracks provide real-time temperature monitoring at all stages of the supply chain or cold chain management. In healthcare and pharmaceuticals, RFIDTracks boosts patient safety, inventory management, and drug authenticity. It also assists hospitals and pharma in improving service, cutting costs, and eliminating risks. It provides a user-friendly system for tracking assets, employees, devices, and products, enhancing security, efficiency, and emergency response. In pharma, RFIDTracks aids in production, distribution, and combating counterfeit drugs, ensuring genuine medications and facilitating efficient recalls. RFIDTracks plays a crucial role in the automotive sector, automating component tracking through the production line for traceability and recalls. RFIDTracks also provides real-time location data for every assembly component, enhancing security and simplifying tracking. In manufacturing, RFIDTracks uses Industry 4.0 technologies like IoT and RFID to optimize production, track inventory, and ensure correct item usage. This enhances production efficiency and quality control, providing accurate work-in-progress data and facilitating replenishment alerts. Accurately tracking assets is a challenge across industries. RFIDTracks simplifies and enhances real-time asset management by using RFID tags and readers to provide accurate tracking information. This is particularly useful in complex environments with frequent audits. Not only that, RFIDTracks improves efficiency and reduces losses or misplacements, accurately recording asset movements and minimizing inventory discrepancies. RFIDTracks offers efficient control over warehouses and distribution centers, improving inventory visibility and data processing speed. The software enables real-time inventory tracking, optimizing storage space and order fulfillment, and enhancing labor management. It is scalable and adaptable to various conditions, ensuring control and flexibility. RFIDTracks integrates seamlessly with major ERPs like SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft Dynamics, ensuring accurate data capture and quicker implementation. RFIDTracks in retail improves inventory management, customer experience, and security. By tagging products, retailers track item movements in real time, reducing stock issues. It also triggers alarms for not checking out items and helps identify theft patterns, enabling better security strategies. This data can also be used for targeted marketing, enhancing the shopping experience. RFIDTracks boosts supply chain management, offering real-time tracking from manufacturing to retail. It streamlines receiving and shipping with bulk RFID tag scanning, cutting processing times and labor costs. This improves product safety by tracking origins and automates tasks for instant identification, better control, and error reduction. RFIDTracks utilizes front-installed antennas to automate forklift tracking between loading and unloading points. This updates the cloud database in real time, enhancing accuracy and visibility into product locations while reducing manual scanning and data entry errors. RFIDTracks provides accurate, real-time tracking of container locations, improving operational visibility and streamlining tracking processes, which allows yard managers to monitor container movements effectively, thereby improving logistics efficiency significantly. RFIDTracks uses our TLS to provide accurate, real-time information on assets, inventory, and personnel. Leveraging active RFID tracking technology, our TLS enables the precise location of tagged entities, improving productivity, reducing costs, and ensuring compliance with standards. Ready to elevate your business? Embrace the future with RFIDTracks' cutting-edge RFID technology and automated workflows. Contact us today, and let's revolutionize your business operations together.